Every woodworker needs the best tool to bring professional-grade results to his projects. That's why we have made a list of the best woodworking tools that you must see. Introducing the NKT Deck Pro, a handy tool for effortless hidden decking installation. This all-in-one solution simplifies the deck building process, offering a comprehensive package with the tool, spacers, and accessory bits. The Deck Pro is designed for easy adjustment to accommodate various deck board widths, ensuring versatility for your project. Its robust and reliable construction acts as a dependable third hand during installation. Utilizing cylindrical head screws, it ensures a stable and wobble-free installation. The accompanying Deck Pro screws feature dual-thread technology, delivering a robust clamping effect. Suitable for board sizes ranging from 85mm to 150mm, this tool comes complete with a driver bit and spacers for a hassle-free decking experience. REEKON M1 Caliber, a measuring tool that revolutionizes accuracy and efficiency for professionals across various trades. This patent-pending device seamlessly clamps to almost any saw fence, providing precise measurements on a large, backlit LCD screen. Unlike traditional methods, this tool ensures faster, more consistent, and safer cuts. With easily adjustable units and compatibility with a wide range of saws, its dynamic professional-grade design caters to diverse preferences and needs. The M1 Caliber simplifies the process from easy setup to accurate measurements, making it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking reliability and precision in every cut. Transform your cutting experience with the REEKON M1 Caliber, a blend of innovation and efficiency. Want to get unmatched power and innovation in wood drilling? Here comes the Makita GPH02 driver drill. Having a Makita-built brushless motor delivering an impressive 585 inch-pounds of max torque, this tool is designed for optimum performance in heavy load applications. The XGT technology ensures up to 2 times longer sustained power, while the XPT feature enhances dust and water resistance for durability in harsh job site conditions. With versatile 2-speed settings and a compact length of only 7.1 inches, this driver drill excels in tight spaces. The ultra-smooth variable speed trigger provides precise control, and the reinforced gear housing ensures maximum durability. Take your drilling to the next level with this little tool. Are you concerned about your woodworking safety and precision? Introducing the GrabberPLUS, the advanced safety companion to the Milescraft Grabber push block family. Ideal for router tables, table saws, jointers, and bandsaws, this upgraded push block ensures extra control in every cut. Featuring a high-friction diamond grip, it prevents boards from slipping, offering a secure hold. The spring-loaded retractable heels add another layer of stability, securing the ends of your workpiece as you guide it through the cut. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting, the GrabberPLUS is a must-have tool to enhance your woodworking experience. Invest in safety, precision, and control with the GrabberPLUS trademark for a woodworking journey like never before. Z Brushless Multi-Tool. This is the Makita DTM52Z Brushless Multi-Tool, your reliable partner for versatile cutting and sanding tasks. With an oscillation angle of 3.6 degrees, it ensures swift and efficient operations. The soft start and variable speed, controlled by a dial, along with constant speed control, offer precise control over your work. Operating this tool is a breeze with its easy-to-use slide switch for continuous use, while the toolless accessory clamp facilitates quick accessory changes. Safety is paramount with the anti-restart function, minimizing accidental startup. Featuring 12 angle settings for accessories at every 30 degrees from 0 to 360 degrees, it offers flexibility in application. Compatible with Starlock Max accessories, the DTM52Z handles heavy-duty tasks effortlessly, making it a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Orbital Detail Sander. It's a compact but professional-grade tool for carpentry, remodeling, and general contracting tasks. Engineered for precision, it complements larger sanders on the job site, delivering faster detail sanding and a stain-grade finish with unmatched access to corners and contours. Powered by the potent combination of a power-state brushless motor, it removes material up to 2 times faster than traditional hand sanding methods. Weighing just 1.3 pounds, its ergonomic design ensures maneuverability. while the innovative counterweight minimizes vibration for reduced fatigue. The variable speed trigger and 4-speed settings provide control across materials, and the optional sponge pad and pad saver enhance versatility and durability. Change your sanding experience with precision, ease, and efficiency. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to guided cutting perfection with the Kreg Portable Crosscut Guide. This innovative tool ensures flawless 90-degree and 45-degree cuts across boards using your circular saw, delivering professional quality results wherever you need to cut. The portable crosscut boasts retractable cut line indicators that align with your saw blade, providing exact positioning for unparalleled accuracy. Adjust the indicators to match your saw effortlessly, and you're ready to cut with confidence. Thanks to the GripMax anti-slip material, the guide stays firmly in place, while saw support ledges enhance the ease of starting every cut. Transform your sanding tasks with the Festool linear sander, the ultimate tool for efficiently sanding profiles, handrails, and rebates. The LS130's unique linear sanding motion revolutionizes the manual sanding process, providing impeccable results with enhanced efficiency. Adapt to a multitude of applications with various sanding pads and abrasives, and experience the convenience of quick, toolless sanding pad changes. Boasting a wear-resistant design for extended service life, the sander excels in tasks such as sanding wood along the grain, including profiles, rebates, and curves. The DIY sanding pad kit further allows customization to individual profiles, providing versatility to your woodworking projects. Elevate your craftsmanship with the Festool LS130 linear sander, where precision seamlessly combines with productivity, making every project a testament to perfection. Ever wondered if a cordless saw could match the power of 15 amp corded counterparts? Well, this Milwaukee M18 fuel rear handle circular saw not only matches, but exceeds expectations, delivering an astounding 570 cuts per charge with the M18 Lithium high output HD12, zero battery. The PowerState brushless motor propels the saw at 5,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring corded cutting performance even under heavy loads. With RedLink Plus intelligence for optimal tool performance and protection, and the M18 battery providing unmatched runtimes and 50% more power, this saw redefines cordless convenience. Packed with features like an electric blade brake, LED work light, and all magnesium guards and shoes, the Milwaukee circular saw is a reliable solution for unparalleled cutting power and durability in the toughest job site conditions. Here, we have something that will define your cutting experience of all the carpentry projects. Meet the Ryobi UN plus HP brushless track saw. It combines a brushless motor, advanced electronics, and lithium-ion high-performance batteries to ensure around 260 linear feet of cutting. Paired with the included 18-volt, 4 amp-hour lithium-ion high-performance battery, this saw ensures optimal performance. Experience controlled and accurate cuts by combining the 27.5-inch included tracks for up to 55 inches of cutting. With a versatile range of -1 degree to 48 degree bevel cuts, this saw is designed for precision, and the best thing? It generates up to 4,300 revolutions per minute with adjustable depth control and anti-tip adjustments, so you're going to get high confidence in every cut. At last, we have the Woodpeckers Protractor T-Square, where precision meets confidence. With its seamless pivot and exceptional fit, this one-time tool ensures smooth and fluid movement, instilling confidence in every angle you calculate. The laser-engraved scale and perfectly aligned cursor guarantee precise measurements up to 32-inch long. Available in 12, 24, 600mm, and 32-inch blade lengths, this T-Square is designed to elevate your woodworking experience with unmatched accuracy and reliability. Say goodbye to uncertainties and embrace the assurance of precise woodworking with the Woodpeckers Protractor T-Square. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.